it, baby. Wave another. Dear Carmen. Cardi B shares lovely photos and also videos of his son called Wave. We get to see that hairstyle is definitely on point, as we get to have him receiving gifts, opening gifts, as Cardi B showed us that each of her kids are having Christmas trees and also Christmas gifts. So we get to find out that Wave is definitely so excited, receiving gifts after gifts, as each family member is gifting Wave. I think those are the gifts that Cardi B showed us as they were under the Christmas tree. So love you guys. Just keep subscribing on my YouTube channel.